Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on graph theory, lecture number 6, in which I will describe about the four multicolored cube problem or the puzzle instant insanity. Our question is to solve the four multicolored problem or state and solve the puzzle instant insanity. Statement: there are four cubes. The six faces of each cubes are colored with red, blue, green and white. Is it possible to stack the cubes on one on the top of another to form a column such that all four colors appear on each side of the resulting column if the cubes in question have the colors of the faces as follow? This is cube number 1. Color of each face is given like this. This is cube number 2. Color of each face is given. Here this is color of each face of cube 3. This is the color of each face of cube 4. Here problem is that we have four cubes and also we have four colors. In four cubes we have to count the number of faces. In one cube we have 6 faces. So in 4 cubes 24 faces. But faces will be colored by only by 4 colors: red, blue, green and white. Cubes will be arranged one cube below and then other cube, then other cube, like this. These are the four cubes. First, this is one cube, then we place other cube on the top, then we place the other cube on the top, then we place the other cube. We will get here front side and this is the back side. This is the left side, this is the right side. Here we get four faces: 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, on each side we will get four faces. We have to arrange cubes in such a manner that here four faces will be colored by four different colors: red, blue, green and white. For example, if this is red, this is blue, this is green and this is white, no color will be repeated on each column because each cube contain a color. Any cube contain a color. That color may not contain the second cube or third cube or fourth cube. In this way, we have to arrange the cubes that in this side four different color, in this side four different color, in this side four different color and back side also four different colors. We have given this problem the color of the cubes: cube 1, cube 2, cube 3, cube 4. What is the meaning of this? We have to know about the meaning of this. This is the this is given the cube 1. Here we see that here RWGB, RWGB, RR. What is the meaning of this? Meaning of this is that the W, here W we see will be in front side, front face color W, and R, then R will be left side, R will be left face color, and G will be color of the right face, and B will be color of the back face, and this R will be color of the top face, and this R will be color of the bottom face. So meaning of this is this R is the color of the left face, and this is the color of the front face, this is the color of the right face, and this is the color of the back face, and this color red is color of the top face, and this color is color of the bottom face. So in this way we may take the other cubes. This cube 2, this R is the color of the left face, and W is the color of the front face, B is the color of the right face, and G is the color of the back face, and R is the color of the top face, and W is the color of the bottom face. And in this way we may consider the color of the other cubes. Now question is that we have 4 colors and 4 cubes. So with the help of graph theory we have to arrange these cubes in such a manner, one above another, and that above another, such that each column will contain 4 different colors. Front column will contain 4 different colors, back column will contain 4 different colors, left column will contain 4 different colors, and right column will also contain 4 different colors of 4 faces. Now we solve the problem by following steps. Some steps will be taken to solve this problem. In step 1, we draw the graph of the given color of the faces of different cubes. We take the 4 colors as vertices, and we will draw edge taking a face front. If the taking front is a color, means let this is W is front, and B the color be the color of the back face. Then we draw the edge from W to B, opposite faces. Similarly, we take the another edge from left to right, and another edge from top to bottom. So we will get for a cube 3 edges, and the 4 colors will be as vertices. We draw this graph in step 1. Here we have 4 vertices with 4 colors R, B, G, W. R means red color, B means blue color, G means green color, and W means white color. We have only 4 colors. Now we draw graph for the first cube. Here we take that R be the color of left face. Then opposite face is the right face. This is the right face. So we draw the edge R joining R and W. Joining edge R and G. R and G here. Then we will draw graph front and back. This is W is front here, and B is the color of back face. So we join WB. These are the edges for the first cube. So we write 1 first cube. Now we draw edge top face and bottom face, RR. This is self loop. This is also 1. Now we will draw graph for cube 2. Here left face is R and right face is B. So we join RB. This is the for cube 2. We write 2. Then W is the front face and G back face. We join W and G. This 2. Then top and bottom R and W. This is number 2. Now we draw graph for cube 3. Left face is B and right face is R. We join BR. This is number 3 for third cube. Then B is the front and W is the back. So we join B and W. This is 3. Now top and bottom GG. So we draw GG. This is third. Now we draw edge for cube 4. Left is G and right is R. GR. So we draw GR. This is 4. And this is front and this is back. WG. This is 4. And top B and bottom W. BW. This is 4. Now our graph is complete for 4 cubes. Here we see that degree of R is for self loop 2 degree, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 7 faces are of red colored. Similarly, degree of B is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So degree of B is 5. So 5 faces are of blue color. Similarly, here also we may take a degree of G and W. So our first step is complete. We have drawn the graph for each cube joining edge of the opposite faces. Opposite faces means if the one face is color W and opposite face is R, then we have joined WR and WRB and edge. Similarly, we have got different edges. Only we have 4 vertices, means 4 colors. Now we go to step 2. In step 2, we arrange the cubes one above another and the third on the second and fourth cube on the third. Here we see that we have this is the left faces and this is the right faces. In left faces we see that we have 4 faces and in right faces we have 4 faces. So we have 8 faces. But 8 faces are of colored only 4, red, blue, green and blue. So if we take a subgraph such that 8 faces with color red, blue, green and blue, but edge will be 4, because if we take left face, this left face join the right face, one edge. Here left face join the right face, we get one edge. Left face join the right face, one edge. Left face join the right face, one edge. Only 4 edges. So we have to get a subgraph with 4 colors RBGW, are 4 vertices and 4 edges. Now we take the edges and vertices and draw the subgraph. This is for left and right faces. Here we take here that for first cube we may take number 1, this is G and R. So we join for first G and R. So for the first cube left and right we get one edge. For the second cube left and right we take another edge. We second here. For second here 2 R joins B. This is first, this is second. We may take for third one edge 3 here. This is 3 and this is 4, WG. So we get a subgraph. We construct another subgraph for front and back. In front we have 4 faces and in back also we have 4 faces. So 8 faces. For this we need 4 edges. Joins the back face of the first cube. So 4 edges for 4 cubes needed. So, but it is to remember that this subgraph and this subgraph must be edge disjoint subgraph. No edge will be repeated. So we start from here. We have taken already one here. So we will take here 4 for fourth cube. Here we have already taken 2. So we will take here 3. Here we have already taken 3. So we may take 1 or 4, but already we have taken 4 here. So we will take here 1. Here we have already taken 4. So we will take 2. So you will get two edge disjoint subgraphs such that each vertex is of degree 2. Now we will go to step 3 to assign the color of the faces. Placed the cubes one above other.
As front face of the
Now,
first cube,
we place the cubes one above other. This is the first cube, this is the second cube, this is the third cube, this is the fourth cube. Now we will have to give the color on the faces. This is a left and right. Here we see that number 1 cubes, if G be the color of left face, then R be the color of right face. G left face and R be the right face. Similarly, here we take for cube 2 left and right. Here we have taken right, so we may not take here right. So we will have to take here B. Here B, right. And in left R. For third cube, here in right side we have given R, B, so we may not give R and B in this place, left, right face. In third we have B and W. Here we have B, so we will give W here. And B will be in left face. Here we see that G, R, B all are different colors. In fourth, here we have taken R, B, W and rest is G. Here G and W, so we give here right face G, then left face will be G and W, so here we give W. We consider the second subgraph for front and back. We give the color in front and back. Here we see that this is one first cube. One side we give color B and other side W. If in front side, this is arrow for the front side and this is the arrow for the back side. For back side we have given this type of denotation. That means inside, means back side. So here number 1 B and W, we give the color in front side B, then color in the back side W for the first cube. In the second cube, this is the arrow for the front face. Here number 2 W and G. Here we have already given B, so we will give another color W. If here we give W, then here G. We may not give this side W because we have already given W here. In the third cube, front, this is the front arrow for the front face. Third, here we have color B and R. We have already given B, W. So we may not give here B. We will give here R. And B and R, so we give back side color B. For the fourth cube, here we see that R and G. We have already given B, W, R. So here we will give G. So that side will be R, back side. So in this way we have given the colors of the faces with the help of two subgraphs. For first subgraph left and right, and for second subgraph front and back. Now with the help of this step 3, we will go to the step 4. Now we go to the step 4, in which we will see the color of the cubes as left and front. This is left and this is front. So here we see that in left side G color, in front side B for the first cube. In the second cube, left side, left face R, and in the right face, in the front face W. For the third cube, left face is B, color B, and front face is color R. In the fourth cube, left face is color W, and front face is color G. So we may draw this like this is left face and this is the front face. Here we see that in the left face, 4 different color in 4 faces. In the front face, we also see that 4 different color in the 4 faces. Similarly, in the right and back we see. In right here, in right for the first cube we see that R, and on the back W, here back W, here right B, second cube, and back color is G. Here color of the right face is W, and color of the back face is B. Color of the right face is 4th number G, and color of the back face is R. So we may draw like this. Here we see that we have 4 different colors in 4 faces. Here also 4 different color for 4 faces. Now this is the understanding for the color of the faces. Now we write the problem in details. We have solved the problem in some steps. Step 1. We solved the problem by drawing a graph G with vertices R, B, G and W, one for each color. Let us pick a cube. Let it be cube 1. Then let us draw an edge between two vertices if and only if the cube in question has the corresponding colors on opposite faces. In other words, if a red face in cube 1 has a green face opposite to it, here we see that left face is red colored and right face is green color. These two faces are opposite faces. Opposite to it, then let us draw an edge between vertices R and G. Here, between R and G, we draw an edge. Let us do same for the remaining two pairs of faces in cube 1. Remaining two pair of faces are, this is top face and this is bottom face. So RR, we draw this edge. And this is front face and this is the back face. So we draw edge between W and B. W and B. Let us put level 1 on all three edges. Here we have drawn edge this. This is 1, level 1. This is also for the first cube, edge level 1, and this is the edge for first cube. We give the level 1. Let us put level 1 on all three edges resulting from the cube 1. Let us repeat the procedure for other three cubes. For other three cubes, here we draw edge between R and B. R and B. This is. So we give the level 2. Similarly, for other three edges for cube 2. And also for cube 3 and cube 4, we will draw the edges by following the same procedure. And ultimately we get the graph, this graph. Now we shall go to step 2. The degree of each vertex is the total number of faces with corresponding colors. Here degree of R is 7. 2 for this loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So 4 faces are of red color. Let us consider two opposite vertical sides of the desired column of 4 cubes. Let front and back. Then a subgraph will represent these 8 faces. 4 facing front and 4 back. Each of the 4 edges in the subgraph will have a different label, namely 1, 2, 3 and 4. Also, no color will appear twice on either front or back side of the column if and only if every vertex in the subgraph is of degree 2. Exactly the same argument applies to the other two sides, left and right of the column. Thus, 4 given cubes can be arranged to form a column such that all 4 colors appear on each side if and only if there exist 2 edge disjoint subgraphs H1 and H2 of the graph in step 1. Here we take 2 subgraphs from this graph H1 and H2 under the condition given above, such that each subgraph contains exactly 1 edge from each cube, such that each vertex is of degree 2. Subgraphs H1 and H2 are as follow. These are the subgraph H1 and this is the subgraph H2. This is the left and right faces. This is the subgraph for front and back faces. These are 2 edge disjoint subgraphs. Here we have taken 1, 2, 3 and 4. And for this we have taken here 4, 3, 1 and these 2. These are the edges. So we shall go to now step 3. Now we go to step 3. Let us assign the color of the faces of the 4 cubes with the help of subgraphs H1 and H2. Subgraphs H1 will help to assign H1. This is subgraph H1. Will help to assign the colors of the left and right faces of all 4 cubes, and subgraphs H2 will help to assign the colors of the front and back faces of all 4 cubes. The color of the faces of 4 cubes be as follow here. This is the first cube. We take the left and right. This is number 1 edge. So for left, in left we have taken G and in right we have taken R. Here for front and back, number 1, we have taken here B back side and W in the front side. This sign is for back side and this is for front side. And similarly, we have given color to all faces, left and right, front and back. Now we go to step 4. The colors of the desired column be as follow. This is left and front. Here left we see G color for first cube, and for front here W. Similarly, we may give color of second cube left and front, and similarly third and fourth. Here we see that in all faces of this column are different color. Here also all faces of the columns are of different colors. Similarly, right and back. For the first, right is R, here R, and back is B. Similarly for other cubes. And we see also that here, in this column, all faces are of different colors. Here also all faces are of different colors. So our problem is solved. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.